This is the sound of a supermassive black hole. It's haunting, empty, and terrifying. But in the vastness of the cosmos, a black hole is just the beginning. From a giant nothingness that defies physics to planets where it rains shards of glass sideways, the more we look into the dark, the more we realize that the universe might not be as friendly as we thought. Today, we are venturing into the unknown to uncover the 7 most terrifying discoveries made in deep space. Number 7. The Boötes Void. Spanning nearly 330 million light-years in diameter, the Boötes Void is a massive spherical region of nothingness. To put that in perspective, our own Milky Way is only about 100,000 light-years across. You could fit nearly 2,500 Milky Ways side by side inside this void. According to standard cosmological models, a space this size should contain at least 10,000 galaxies, but astronomers have only found about 60. Some theorists suggest a terrifying possibility. What if an advanced civilization is using Dyson spheres to harvest the energy of entire galaxies, effectively turning off their light and making them disappear from our view? It is the most silent and mysterious graveyard in the cosmos. Number 6. Rogue planets. We used to think every planet needed a sun. We were wrong. Scientists estimate there are trillions of rogue planets, orphan worlds that have been violently ejected from their home systems. These planets travel at speeds of hundreds of miles per second through the freezing void. Without a star, their surfaces are near absolute zero, minus 273 degrees Celsius. However, some scientists believe that under miles of thick ice, geothermal heat could keep oceans liquid. Imagine an alien world with no sun, no day or night, just eternal darkness with life potentially evolving in deep-sea thermal vents. If a rogue planet the size of Jupiter ever drifted into our solar system, its gravity would tear Earth out of orbit before we even saw it coming. Number 5. HD 189733b, located 64 light-years away. HD 189733b looks like a beautiful blue oasis, but it is a death trap. Its atmosphere is filled with silicate particles, the main ingredient in glass. Because it orbits its star so closely, temperatures reach 900 degrees Celsius. The combination of extreme heat and a magnetic field that is 30 times stronger than Earth's creates winds that travel at 2 kilometers per second. That is 7 times the speed of sound. If you stood on this planet, you wouldn't just be burned, you would be shredded into pieces by millions of shards of molten glass raining down horizontally. It is a literal cosmic meat grinder. Number 4. The Great Attractor. Everything we know, the Milky Way, Andromeda, and thousands of other galaxies, is being pulled toward a mysterious point in space known as the Great Attractor. This gravitational anomaly has the mass of tens of thousands of Milky Ways. The terrifying part? It lies in the zone of avoidance, hidden behind the thick gas and dust of our own galaxy center. We are being dragged at 1.4 million miles per hour toward an invisible giant. We cannot see what it is, and we cannot stop it. Is it a massive concentration of dark matter, or something far more sinister that we haven't discovered yet? Number 3. The black hole sound space is usually silent because sound waves can't travel through a vacuum. But the Perseus galaxy cluster is different. It is filled with vast amounts of hot gas that provide a medium for sound waves to travel. NASA captured these waves and scaled them up by 57 octaves so humans could hear them. What you're hearing is the hum of a supermassive black hole. The sound is a B-flat, but 57 octaves below middle C, a note so deep that no human instrument could ever replicate it. It sounds like a low-frequency moan from the very fabric of space-time itself. Number 2. The Dying Star. Meet WD 1145 plus 017, a white dwarf star that is literally eating its own planetary system. Astronomers have observed this dead star shredding a planet-sized object into dust. As the star's gravity pulls the planet closer, it tears it apart, creating a massive cloud of debris. This is a glimpse into the future of our own Earth. In about 5 billion years, our sun will expand into a red giant, swallowing Mercury and Venus, and eventually turning into a white dwarf that could shred whatever is left of our home. We aren't just looking at a distant star, we are looking at our own graveyard. Number 1. Vacuum decay. The most terrifying discovery in physics is a theory called vacuum decay. It suggests that our universe might be in a false vacuum, meaning it's not completely stable. If a bubble of a lower energy state were to form anywhere in the universe, it would expand at the speed of light. This bubble would incinerate everything in its path, rewriting the laws of physics instantly. There would be no warning. We wouldn't see it coming because it travels at light speed. 1 second, the universe exists, the next, it is simply gone. It is the ultimate delete button for reality, and it could happen at any moment.